Hello students, myself Devesh Kumar Shukla. Once again I am here with class 12th physical education chapter 1 planning in sports. So before starting my video, you all kindly subscribe our school channel and click bell icon for getting all notifications. Now come to content part. As you can see, meaning and objectives of planning we already covered in my previous video. Next, various committees and its responsibilities pre, during, and post tournament. This is our today's topic. So, our today's topic various committees to conduct a tournament. My dear students, as you all know, lots of planning and preparation are required for a systematic and smooth conduction of tournament. Under this planning only, we used to form various organizing committees. In general, a committee of management, which is also known as general committee, is responsible for the successful conduction of tournament. Generally, this committee is headed by the head of the institution. Under this committee, one more committee work, which is known as executive director committee. This committee is headed by the head of the department of physical education or any physical education teacher. Under these two committees, different various organizing committees used to work, and these various committees are having different work. These committees headed by a different subject teachers along with school student volunteers. So now I will tell you these different committees name and also explain these committees work. As you can say, as you can see, many committees names are coming on your mobile screen. And first committee name is publicity committee. This publicity committee is having mainly two work. First one, to spread awareness and information regarding tournament inside the school boundary and outside the school boundary. Second work, which is important work, is to inform various institutes and teams regarding the date, time, and match. Next committee is transportation committee. Transportation committee means to arrange transportation for outsider teams, officials, as well as a chief guest. Transportation committee arrange vehicles for outsider teams from railway station to school, from bus stations to school, and if playing arena, playing court, playing field is not inside the school boundary, it is far from the school, then used to arrange a vehicle for all persons, those who are related with tournaments from school to concerned arena and from arena to school. Next committee is boarding and lodging committee, which is responsible for the accommodation and as well as fooding, to arrange mattresses, to arrange neat and clean rooms, to arrange them for clean toilets, bathrooms. All works used to done by boarding and lodging committee, and also arrange a fresh meals, and all five meals means morning tea, then breakfast, then lunch, then evening tea and dinner. All these things, all these works used to done by boarding and lodging committee. Next is decoration and ceremony committee. By the name it is clear, this committee is responsible for the decoration, and ceremony means opening ceremony and closing ceremony. Like whenever we used to conduct any event, then of course we used to organize some cultural program also during the opening time and during the closing time also. So this committee is responsible for the decoration and for opening and closing ceremony. Next is ground and equipment committee. Ground means this committee is responsible for the maintenance of ground. They used to provide a well leveled ground, and they used to arrange all related equipments. Related means if we are going to organize a football tournament, then of course like football pole, football net, corner flag, proper marking, official table, they used to organize all required equipment which are related with football. Next is fooding committee. Oh, this committee it also work with the boarding and lodging committee, which I already explained. So this committee used to come under this boarding and lodging committee only. Then next is reception committee. This committee work to check all the papers, all the eligibilities, like the teams which are coming from the outside to check their papers, whether all players are. A reception committee, I'm going to explain it once again, like to check all eligibility forms and documents which are related with the outsider teams. They used to check all these things at the time of arrival only. Next is appeal and jury committee. This committee is mainly related with the matches, or for any inconvenience or indiscipline or injustice, this committee used to work. When any protest arises by a different team, then they used to solve it. Whether this protest is up to the mark or not up to the mark, they used to decide it. And this committee is always having 3 members or 5 members or maximum 7 members. The number of this committee members is always odd. Next committee is committee for officials, means like whenever we used to organize match, then you all always see many officials require, like match referee, table officials, side umpires, side referees. So they all used to come in committee for officials. Next is announcement committee. This committee work is mainly used to announced timing of matches, number of matches, and all important informations from one point. First aid committee, I think it is not required to explain the work of first aid committee. Of course, at the time of emergency, at the time of injury or any accident when take place, this committee used to work. Then finance committee, a very important committee. Without this committee, we cannot conduct a tournament, because for conducting any tournament, budget is always required. And last one is discipline committee. Discipline, as by name you can understand, this committee work to maintain discipline inside the school, within the field and outside the field. So I think now these all committees and their work is clear to you all. So now come to our next topic, which is pre, during and post tournament responsibilities of committees. Means the committees which I explained just now. So these committees work before the tournament, during the tournament and after the tournament. So before the tournament, which kind of preparations, which kind of responsibilities used to perform by the committees, which are like, first work to circulate informations to different institutes, to teams. And even the first basic work, it is always pre responsibility of tournament to form a different committees by general committee and exclusive committee. After that, all work we used to perform. So one work I already explained, it is to circulate informations to different teams and various institutes. Next, to prepare a budget, like how many जो है amount we have to require for the conducting of a sport tournament, how many amount we have to pay to like 10th house person for arranging mattresses and all, how many budget we have to, how many amount we have to require, how much amount we have to, not many, sorry, how much amount we have to require for the fooding committee and for purchasing new equipments. So this committee used to work regarding all this matter. To prepare a schedule of tournament means to decide the fixture, team's name and match and number of matches. These all things decided before the starting of tournament. To prepare a sport ground, court, track, to send entries, to arrange prizes and certificates for the team, and to arrange necessary boarding to. And the very important arrangement is always before the tournament, boarding and lodging. So these all works are always we used to conduct before the tournament. Now during the tournament, to ensure proper arrangement of inauguration, like we used to start our program through inauguration. So first thing is to see the arrangement of opening ceremony, then again check whether all the equipments and kits are proper or not, then check, or you can say then arrange uh, refreshment for the players and team officials. And during match we have to require announcements also for the next match, like in future match will take place. Then arrange first aid and all thing also during the tournament, also arrange the score sheet, and also prepare the news for the print media also, and also maintain the discipline in and out the ground. So these are the work which are we used to do during the match, means during the tournament. These are the responsibilities. Now after the tournaments, like once our match used to over, then what are the work, what are the responsibilities, which are to give prizes and certificates to the winners, also runners, and like prizes and certificates for the winner and runners, and participation certificates for all the participants, and to arrange present a memento to chief guest, to provide detail of result to and media, and all security refund to the departing team. Whenever the teams used to come, they used to submit some security money, they used to submit some amount as a security money. And whenever they used to go back after the tournament, so all school or organizing hosting school used to return it, and to collect all records and files, and to make payment to the all officials and all concerns person which are related with the tournament, which are outsiders, with those who helped us for the conducting tournament, and to prepare report of expenditure during tournaments. So these are the responsibilities after the tournament. I think in today's topic, various committees and its responsibilities pre, during and post tournament is clear to you all. So my today's topic is over. Very soon I will come to our next topic, which is tournament and types of tournament. Till that, Thank you everyone. Thanks once again. Thanks to being a part of this video. Thank you.